Hello everyone, have to do something today. It's 2 degrees outside, can you imagine that? It's May, nearly the 17th of May, and it's cold. Anyway, the car needs to be done. I'm going to do the glow plugs now, if you never did this before, so you can stay tuned and see how it's getting done. See if I follow up. So first the power needs to be disconnected, and I'm not going from there to the chassis of the car to minus, as the power is coming from there, just to be sure. That's not a lot of space, but I need to loosen this and the whole plate. You just need to clean it with brake cleaner. Now I removed everything. I used something to get the rust away. It was good with a small break as I was waiting for the rust spray to getting the effect on the glow plugs. So everything is cleaned, and now I am going to blow with air. The size of the 12, and now I just need to see if I can lose them without breaking. Now I need to check if I have the right one. As you see, it looks right. Nearly the same size. See, not too hard. This is going back on. Just have a look if the car is working. The car is working without any issue, so I didn't do anything wrong. That's a good sign that the car's not breaking down on me. Now I'm just driving a little bit around to get the oil warm before I'm going to change this. I hope you enjoyed this episode. It's only short about how to change glow plugs. It's nothing special, but it is part of my van conversion. So it's really important to also show the difficult parts of the van conversion, that you have also to do the service stuff and not just driving to the shop and get everything done and pay a huge amount. This is what I want to show you, how things are getting done. So if you like it, please give it thumbs up and comment down below. You can also subscribe on this corner and check out my other 2 movies, would be really appreciated. So see you in the next one. Have a nice day.